All right, hello. I just had a popsicle, so hence the discoloration here. But I don't really want to have to restart. So anyway, um, today's Tuesday. I am 22 weeks pregnant. Um, Not much is going on, to be honest. I just did an update on Friday. Not really anything has changed. I have, just been basically chilling the last week-ish. I was able to not do too much over the weekend except to go to a birthday party, which is super fun. And this weekend is Easter, and we're gonna go to my parents' house, and that's gonna be cool. So yeah. And then the week after that's my twins' birthday party. So yay, they're turning 4. It's so wild. Anyway, pregnancy wise. So this week the app says he is as big as a water bottle, but it's like one of those like water jugs, not like a water bottle. I actually looked it up today. 21 weeks. Apparently he was measuring in the 10th percentile. So he is measuring a little boy. He is a little boy. But obviously those measurements can be off. He might have been a few ounces bigger, which makes a huge difference when you're only ounces. You're not even a pound yet, So it would be a big difference if, like, let's say the position that he was in made him seem like he was 12 ounces, but he was really 14. That, like, really ups the percentile. Obviously, we can see that with Parker as an example. Since the twins obviously were tiny and they dropped in percentile, you can see with Parker how she measured 25th percentile at 19 and a half weeks, but ended up being born at like 68 or something like that. So who knows? But he does seem to be measuring a little. I feel like I definitely look pregnant, but I don't feel like I'm like really massively growing right now. So we'll see if I go through another growth spurt or what happens there. But yeah, I'm guessing he's probably about 14, no, probably about 15 ounces, I'm guessing this week, based on percentile that he was last week. So that's my guess, but obviously that would be a lower percentile. So we will see. I guess he's born. But anyway, yeah, not really much is going on. So I have an appointment next week on Friday. So a week from this Friday, when I'm 23 weeks and 3 days, I'll have an appointment, my 24-week appointment. And then I have a 28-week appointment a month after that, of course. And then after that, I would really like to go back to Tuesday appointments if possible, which it should be possible because I usually book ahead. Just so that I have consistency, since I do change weeks on Tuesday, I would like to be seen on Tuesday. And so we'll see if that's a possibility. I mean, I'm sure it is, like I said, but, ask or whatever. So, yeah, and I guess this following checkup I don't think is very exciting. The checkup after that I think is the gestational diabetes one, which I'm probably negative like I usually am. I did fail the 1 hour test with the twins and had to take the 3-hour test, which was not fun. But I think it's just because I didn't fast, and if I remember correctly, I didn't have the test like first thing in the morning. Like with Parker, that's what I did. I made like the earliest appointment possible, and then I had my, okay. At the time, it was when everything was kind of shut down a little bit because it was in 2020. And so I made the first available appointment in the morning that I could have on a weekend so that my now husband, then boyfriend, could come with me. And so that's what we did. So I didn't eat in the morning. But it wasn't that bad because it was just fasting in the morning. Where with the twins, I think I had an appointment. It must have been 1 p.m. or something. Right before I picked up the kids because I was a nanny at the time. And, obviously I ate that day and stuff. So I wasn't going to starve myself. So I think that's really the only difference, So I'm just going to try to do that again this time if I can. Just go in the morning, and that should probably help. And I should probably ace it like I usually do. So anyway, but yeah, like not much has really been going on. Talking about future things that haven't even happened yet. Anyway, so I guess I'll just show you my bump, and that will be that. Sorry, this is totally a waste. This is probably really boring. But anyway, all right, here's my belly. So, Pennywise. Here is my stomach. 22 weeks today. So, yeah. This is me sucking in. This is as far in as I can go. So, he's obviously he's a baby at this point, you know? So, anyway. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye.